Yeah, good evening all. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, just wait for a minute. Let's other join the session, and then after we start from there. Okay. So till that, you all please practice level 1 from level 11. Okay. Please practice from level 11. Till others join the session, please go through with level 11. Okay, it's already 6:03. Others are still joining.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, hi, good evening. So I hope almost have joined the session. So let's begin now. So
Sir,
as in the previous session, we have completed.
I can't hear you very good.
Others, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the previous session, we have completed till level 10. So in this session, we start with level 11. Okay. Sure. So let me delete these blocks and let's solve this puzzle. Let's solve how Dave can collect all these two boosters. So we have one way that first Dave has to move and first Dave has to move and he has to catch the spaceship. So how can Dave catch the spaceship? Dave has to move two steps, right? 1 and 2. Dave has to move two steps to catch the spaceship. So here what we need to do, here we need to remove 1 and we'll write 2. Dave step 2. Now Dave is on spaceship, right? As soon as we add Dave step 2, Dave will catch the spaceship and then after to catch the booster, now what? They will move two steps or spaceship will move two steps? Now Dave is on spaceship. So if Dave is on spaceship, now we'll do the coding for the spaceship, not for the Dave, not for Dave. Okay. Because Dave is now on spaceship. Dave cannot move here. Only spaceship can move. This vacant places, this place, right, of two, for this place, only spaceship can move. So for that, we have added this.
Spaceship by 2 steps.
Right. Then we need to add spaceship steps 2.
Yeah.
Right. So Dave 1, 2. We need to add Dave step 2. Then we need to add spaceship steps 2. So now Dave is here and they will catch the first booster. Once they catch first booster, now we need to add 1, 2, 3. Dave steps 3 to add the second booster. Now they will move. Yes. Now they will move to catch the second booster.
Sir, I'm not understanding what you're saying. Like,
okay, basically, see here we have to perform two coding, two blocks, one for Dave and one for spaceship. When basically we need to understand that when we need to perform the coding for Dave and when we need to perform coding for spaceship. Dave can move
So, sir, which is the spaceship and which is the...
This one, this is the spaceship.
Okay.
This is Dev. Okay.
Okay.
So Dev step 2. Why we have added Dev step 2? Because this is Dev. To catch the spaceship, Dev has to move 2 steps. Right? This is Dev. So first they will move towards spaceship by adding a block Dev step 2.
Sir,
Yes.
that's Dave have to catch the spaceship.
No. The proper puzzle is that Dev has to collect the boosters. It's only a way to catch the booster.
Okay,
It's
so
only the channel, yes.
so that Dave have to catch the boosters.
Yes, Dev has to catch the booster by adding these blocks coding.
So that here are there the steps over here? What do we have to do?
So these are the grid lines. So see here, these are the grid lines. To count the steps, this is zooming. From here you can zoom in, and this is your zoom out. So to catch the booster, as we all can see that they first has to catch the spaceship. So how Dev can catch the spaceship? So to catch the spaceship, Dev has to add a block Dev step. Here we have blocks. Here at the center, at center of this page, we have the blocks Dev step, Dev turn right, spaceship step, spaceship turn right. Right. Here we have the blocks. So first we'll add Dev step 2. Let me show why we are adding Dev step 2, because Dev has to move step 1. They will be here when we add Dev step 1 and then Dev step 2. Now, as soon as we add Dev step 2, they will catch the spaceship. This is the spaceship, right? Now, once they catch the spaceship, now spaceship will move 2 steps next. Now spaceship will move 2 steps next and will catch the booster. Once they catch the first booster, now they have to move 1, 2, 3 steps to catch the second booster. And once we complete writing the code, we need to run.
Sir?
To check the output. Yes.
Sir, so first Dave has to go inside the spaceship, then the spaceship will go 2 steps away and catch 1 booster, then he'll go
right.
2 steps again away and
3
catch
steps.
that.
3 steps.
Yeah, sorry. 3 steps away and catch the other booster.
Right, we'll catch the booster. So let me run it, and if we write the correct code, so we'll be getting 3 stars, else we'll be getting 2 stars, else we'll be getting 1 star. Okay, let me run it. Say 1, 2, catch the first booster. Now they has catch the second booster, and we got 3 stars. Okay. So, although Dave catches the booster, if the code is not correct, you will not be getting 3 stars. Only and only will get 3 stars when the code is correct.
So, sir, what is the code? Like,
let me show you again. Instead of writing Dave step 2, if I add Dave step 1, Dave step 1, Dave step 1, Dave step 1. It's same as Dev step 2, right? If I run this code, they will move 1 step. Again, they will move 1 step and will first catch the spaceship. Now, spaceship will move 2 steps and again they will move 3 steps to catch the booster, right? Coding is correct, but if I run this, let's check what will happen. 1, 2, and 3. So, did I receive 3 stars?
no, sir.
No. Why?
You
Why?
received
Because
2 stars.
right, we are getting 2 stars. So
you're supposed to use 3 coding blocks, not 4.
right. I'm not saying for that. I'm just saying that the code should be correct. Exact code. We should just have to add the exact code to get 3 stars.
Okay.
It's the way. Suppose if I move from some any other way to catch the boosters, as we will catch the boosters by moving on any of the given path, but your path should be correct.
Okay.
So here, instead of adding div step 1 and 1, we will directly add div step 2. Yes.
But sir,
Yes.
in any code, they will move, right?
Yes. Div in any of the given code, div has to move and has to collect the boost.
But in any of the codes, they will move, right?
Yes. Basically, we have to move div and spaceship using the block-based code. Yes.
And sir, if the code is not correct, we get 1 star, right?
Yes. If we collect the boosters, we will be getting stars only and only if we collect the boosters. So if we collect the boosters, so either we may get 1 star, 2 star, or 3 star. If the code is correct, if your way is right, so you'll be getting 3 stars, else 2 or 1. Okay. So basically, I'm at level 11. At previous session, we have solved the level 10. Okay, so let me run this. 1, 2, and 3. So it's done. So I hope all have done level 11. So can we move towards level 12?
What, sir?
Can
Yes,
we
sir.
move towards level 12? Okay.
Which level is this, sir?
This is level 12. Yes, it.
12.
12. Yes, the basic one. Let me move from the beginning. Let me take this to the first page. So just wait. So this is your page, right? Whereas we are solving level 1 questions. Yeah, it's level 1. So these all, we need to solve all these for level 1. And we need to collect 60 stars for each. 60, 30. If 60 means we'll be having 20 questions. Each question carries 3 stars. Each question carries 3 stars. That means if we solve 20 puzzles, we'll be getting 60 out of 60. Okay. So basically, we are at level 1. Level 1 and we are solving the basic puzzles. Okay, we are solving the basics puzzles and we are at level 11. And we need to click on go.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, like this is the first class I am attending, like my daughter is attending.
Okay. Ma'am, basically, let me visit with section 1. Level 1, I will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Let me revise quickly. It's not as much stuff. But it's very easy and simple. Suppose this is your level 1 basic puzzle of level 1. So it's Dave. If Dave has to collect the boosters, so these are the grid lines. We can count that 1, 2, 3. Dave will be added 3 steps. Dave step 3. If we add Dave step 1, 1, 1, you can take screenshot of this map. You can take screenshot of the levels. If at any case, if your child is unable to solve the puzzle, you can take the help of the screenshot. So see,
Sir,
if I run
where
this,
can we see it on our own? Like, how can we make a practice?
I think, ma'am, then in this case, ma'am, let me share a link in the chat box. You need to go with that link.
Okay.
And then after, you need to enter your email ID. And then you'll be getting your password on your Gmail. OTP. You'll be getting an OTP on your Gmail. You have to just write that OTP. And then after, you'll be logged into the page. Whereas wherein you need to click on start learning.
And does it happen only on laptop, not on iPad?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, the experience which we want to give to the students cannot be possible on iPad. Yeah, it's mandatory.
Okay, that's why, because I've joined here, so I'm feeling little lesser, like nothing.
Right, ma'am. The experience which you want to provide students can be only possible using laptop.
Okay, sir. Sir, please share the link in the chat box and we can see.
Just wait a minute, ma'am. I'm sharing it in the chat. So this is the link, ma'am. You need to copy and paste this link in any of the given web browser. Copy and paste this link, and as soon as you paste this link, you'll be getting a page, whereas you will be written welcome to hackathon 2022. And once you scroll it down, you'll be getting a space to write your email ID. Once you write your email ID, it will send you a validation code on your Gmail.
Okay,
And
sir.
then please go through it, ma'am, once, and in between I will be.
Sir, it is showing now only window screen of yours. Nothing else is showing.
And please go through in the chat box.
Yes, I'm there in the chat box also, sir. It is only showing hi.
Everyone in meeting. Okay, no issue, ma'am. I'm sharing this link again.
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
So basically, this is level 1. So it's from the beginning. Beginning levels are easy.
Okay.
Run it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't want to interrupt the class, but
no issue, ma'am. No issue. We are here to help out each and every child. Okay, so we were at level 11.
Sir,
1S.
I finished level 20, so it's telling me to do level 20 again and again.
So in that case, return back. And once we complete level 20, return back and solve questions after basic level.
So I have to go back and
yes,
the
here,
box
from here. Right, from here.
After the box of basic levels, I should go to the other one?
Yes, you have to go to the other one.
Okay.
So, level 11, we were at level 11. Right?
It is coming same for me.
Okay. So basically, let me solve till level 20, right? So we'll solve together. Okay, now it's level 12.
Sir, everybody's finished and I don't know how. There's nothing sended like to do this. Everybody's finished with this.
No, as you can see, many of are joining new to the session, or someone are at level 10, 9, 15.
But sir, how are they doing it? Because there's nothing that we can
Sir, how do we go to the page to do it, basically?
Ma'am, here we have an arrow. Okay, we need to just click on it.
No, so we have to go to the, right now we have to go to the game.
As if a child has completed all its level 20 till 20. So
sorry?
If a child has completed all the levels till level 20,
yeah,
he or she has to click on this arrow and it will get back to the first page. Yes.
Okay.
And here, after basic, they have to solve the programming.
Okay.
All are of level 1, basic programming, ORG composition, block key, basic 2, basic commands. These all are of level 1. Once child completes level 1, then level 2 will get unlocked. Level 2 only and only will get unlocked when child completes level 1.
Okay.
These all. So we are at basic starting. We are at starting phase. of basic level 11. As this is the second session for each and every child. I'm taking the second session, the session which is being allotted to. Okay, so returning back.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt, but we just joined late and this is our first session. So how do I get to this page itself for the...
Ma'am, I have just shared the link in the chat box.
Mhm.
You need to copy this link, or you can type this link in any of the web browser, open Chrome, and please type or paste this link. Let me show you how. So let me copy this link and let me choose a new tab. And here we need to paste this link. And as soon as we paste this link, press enter. It will take you to this page. I think, ma'am, I have shared you the other one. Just a minute. There are many links to go for the platforms. This one is the right link. Chat box. I'm sharing this link again in the chat box. Yeah, copy and let me paste over it here. So once we paste this link, it will take us to the next page, to this page, whereas to the next page of ICode Global Hackathon. It's the world largest coding competition all over the country. Here we need to type our email ID, and here we need to type our email ID, and then after we'll be getting an OTP. We'll be getting a validation code on our mail. 6-digit code on mail, 35796@gmail. And once I click on send validation code, I will be getting an OTP. And then after this will take us to the next page of start learning. We just have to click on start learning, and then we'll be getting this. And we have to just click on it.
I'm sorry, but the welcome to training ground level 1, that is not coming for us. I don't know. We've reached till that page.
Ma'am, you'll be getting start learning above. Just scroll up.
Yeah, I have clicked on start learning. I have clicked on start learning.
Ma'am, I can do one thing. Let me stop my screen sharing. Please share it. This will be easy for us.
I should share my screen?
Yes, ma'am. You have to share it.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Please click on level 1.
Exactly. Now, I have been clicking, but it's just...
Ma'am, please click on refresh.
Click on?
Refresh.
Refresh.
It's there, ma'am. It's there. Scroll up, ma'am.
It's not coming.
Yeah, please scroll up.
Scroller.
Right. Please scroll up. Please click on that arrow. Before English. Please click on log out.
I just logged in again because it wasn't coming, but it's not happening.
Please click on log out and try to log in again. No issue, ma'am. Type that link again in the new tab. Choose a new tab. Yes. And delete the previous tab. Yeah. Please click on start learning. Still you are not getting it. Okay. Ma'am, once click on this arrow, I think this arrow is disabled. Welcome to training page.
This one?
Ma'am, I think, see ma'am, you're not getting complete details. Instead of you're not getting training attachment also, nothing, you're getting nothing. I think the page is not loaded.
No, my internet is fine. We are on Zoom call and there is no issue because I have tried it a couple of times and that is when
Ma'am, I'm sharing my number in the chat box. Please call me after the session.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Ma'am, once again, please click on level 1 training course, scroll down, click on level 1. Okay, I'm not sure. I will try to sort it out after the session.
Okay, thank you.
Please stop the screen sharing. Okay. So we have completed till level 10. 11 now. Let's move towards level 12. Okay. So now how they will catch all these boosters? So for
sir?
this, yes.
Should I just watch you because it's not happening?
What not happening?
No, my mom just told you, right? This level 1 thing, it's not
Right.
coming.
Yes.
So can I just watch?
Yes, you can. Okay. So, okay, you just find out the way. Till that, let me complete the levels also as we have to move next. So, in this level, right, as you can see that first it's Dev and it's the spaceship. So basically, first Dev has to catch the spaceship. So we have to add Dev step 1. Dev step 1. So now Dev is on spaceship.
And
right.
then you have to do their step.
No spaceship.
Yeah.
When Dev is on spaceship, please remember when Dev is on spaceship, next you need to add spaceship step, not Dev step.
Okay, sir.
Now Dev is on spaceship, right? So if Dev is on spaceship, now spaceship will move 2 steps. Next in the forward direction, right? So now we'll be adding spaceship step 2 and we'll write here 2. Now, Dev is on spaceship. Now now this spaceship has catched the first booster. Now what has to do? Now we have to turn left or right?
Right.
We have to turn left.
Oh.
Okay. So who will turn left? Spaceship or Dev?
Spaceship.
Yes, spaceship. Always remember that when Dev is on spaceship, we need to add blocks for the spaceship, not for Dev. Okay. So we have added Dev step 1. So Dev will catch the spaceship. Then spaceship step 2. This booster will be catched. Then we have to turn left. Turn left, and then how many steps we do have to add? We have to add step 1, 2,
Spaceship step
3,
4.
and 4. Then next we have to add spaceship step 4. Right? Again, here again we need to take a turn. Right? We need to take a turn again. Right. Very good. Here now we'll be adding spaceship turn right. Spaceship will turn right, and then after spaceship is here, and here a spaceship will take a turn right, and then after we'll be adding spaceship step 2, 1 and 2.
And then you do their step -2.
Spaceship step 2. Now it's here. If I add they step 2, they will move forward here. Let's
Sir,
check
you have
once.
to do this step -2.
Yes, I know. Basically, I'm explaining why we are adding Dev step -2. Let me run this code first. So if this spaceship, if spaceship catches all these 4 boosters, and if we add Dev step 2, let's check what happens. Right, check 1. Now and 2. Dev is moving forward in the forward direction. Right. So for that, we need to add Dev step -2 so that Dev can move backward from the spaceship. Let's run the code again. Dev step 1, spaceship step 2, turn left, spaceship step 4, turn right, and then Dev -2. And we got the 3 steps. Okay, so can we move towards level 30?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, it's a block-based coding, right? It's a block-based coding, whereas with the help of coding, you're solving puzzles where they has to catch all the boosters. Okay. So this is your level 30. Let me delete the blocks. Okay. So basically, Dev has first, what can we do? Either first we can catch this, return back, and catch the second booster. Or we can catch the spaceship, then move the spaceship and catch the second booster. So I am following the second way. So Dev, if I add Dev step 2, so will Dev catch the spaceship? No.
No, sir, he will go forward.
He will go forward and he will reach here. If I on the grid lines, let me zoom in. If I add the grid lines, by adding Dev step 2, they will move forward and will reach here, right? So we need to add Dev step -2 so that Dev can catch the spaceship, and then after we will be adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 we will be adding spaceship step 4. Spaceship step 4. Spaceship step 4, and then we'll be adding Dev step 2. Now they will leave the spaceship and will catch the booster. Let me run this code. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch the second booster. Yes, got it. So now let's move towards level 40. At any point, if you are unable to solve the puzzle, please let me know. I will go back and will try to solve that puzzle. Okay, it's level 40. In the same way as we have completed level 13, in the same way, first this Dev has to catch the spaceship. So first we'll be adding Dev step, but in negative. Dev step, no, in positive only, because Dev already has the face to the spaceship. Dev step 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then after spaceship we have to turn the spaceship, right? So we need to add spaceship turn right. So now the spaceship will turn right. Let me run this code once to explain it. See, right? We need to add one more turning right block. So spaceship turn right, spaceship turn right. let me run this code. Right and right. Now we need to add spaceship step 5. Once, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will be adding spaceship step 5. Spaceship step 5. Let's check the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have completed level 14. So can we move towards level 15? Okay.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. So it's level 15. So you also, yeah, please take your free time and try to solve your puzzles. As if you try solving puzzles, you'll be getting either 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars. You will take your time. Take your time, think whether to turn wave step right or left, whether to add spaceship steps or wave steps, right? So let me delete all these blocks again. So we are at level 15, basic level 15. Okay, I got a message. Why using turn right twice? Okay, why we are using turn right twice? Let me solve this puzzle again. Level 14, 13, 14. So why we are turning spaceship twice? Let me run this code. So when I click wave step 3, 1, 2, 3, see. Spaceship has turned right once. Now we have to turn spaceship one more time so that spaceship face can be at booster. Right. If we add spaceship turn right, spaceship will turn right and spaceship will move it right forward direction. But spaceship don't has the way to move forward. That's why we are adding one more time spaceship right. So let me run it 3 right again right. So spaceship is turning 2 times. Yes or no? Spaceship is turning 2 times. Then we'll be adding spaceship step 5. Spaceship step 5. Right, again right, and spaceship step 5. And Dave has selected this. Okay, we are at level 15 now. So let me first on the grid lines. Let me zoom in. Okay, so we have the 2 ways. First, let spaceship move in the forward direction. So we'll be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Spaceship step 6. Right? Let me run this code. Selected the 3 boosters. Now here we have the both options. Either we can turn right, either from here either we can turn right or we can turn left. We have both the choices and both the choices are correct. Okay, so let me turn right here. It's loading. Wait a minute. At level 15. Okay. Spaceship step 6, and then after let me add spaceship turn right, and then let's check the add a block and run the code. So turn right, and after turning right, again the spaceship has to move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 steps. So spaceship step 5. Spaceship step 5. Let me run it. 1. Now there are 2 ways to return back. Either we can turn the spaceship first either we can turn the spaceship first, turn the spaceship and collect the rest boosters, or return back by changing the positive sign to negative. So let's check if I turn the spaceship. Spaceship turn right. Again, we need to add twice. Each time, repeating again, that if Dev is on spaceship, always remember the rule that if Dev is on spaceship, we need to add spaceship steps. Okay, this is the first rule. Second, that whenever if we want to turn spaceship, when we want to turn spaceship, we need to add the block twice. We need to add the block twice to turn the spaceship. Okay. Not for Dev. For Dev, we only need to add the block once. So let's check the block. Let me run it. 1, 3. Right, spaceship turn right, then spaceship step 5, then turn right, and then after we need now my spaceship is here. Then after we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, very good. Then we need to add spaceship step 10. Right? Let me run the code. Spaceship step 6, turn right, then 5 steps, right, and then spaceship step 10. And in this way, we have completed level 50. And we have got 3 stars. Not always we will be getting 3 stars. For that, we need to write the code correct. Suppose in this case only, if I add Dev step 3, let me check this first. 1, 2, 3. Dev step 3. Now they will turn right here. If I run this 1, 2, 3, they will catch the first booster. Again, they will turn right. And then 1, 2, 3. Again, they have to move 3 steps. They step 3. Again, they will turn right. Again, they will turn right, and they step 3. So, is it correct? This code is correct. Yes, they will catch the booster. See, by adding their step 3, so they will 1, 2, 3. They will catch this booster. Again, we'll take right, 1, 2, 3. They will catch this second booster. Again, they will turn right, 1, 2, 3. They will catch the booster. But if we run the code, let's check what happens. See, we have got 2 stars. Why are we not getting 3 stars? Why? Because we are using the same code 3 times. Same as Dev step 1, Dev step 1, Dev step 1. Instead of writing Dev step 1 3 times, we directly can write Dev step 3, right? Yes, in the same way, instead of writing this for 3 times, Dev step 3 turn, that is the level 17. Wait a minute, let me return back to level 16. I think we were on level 16. Not, we were on level 16 only. Instead of writing this 3 times, see Dev step 3, Dev step 3, Dev step 3. Instead of writing this 3 times, what can we do? We can add a repeat block. Repeat these 2 steps for 3 times. Repeat these 2 steps for 3 times. Done. Has got it? So if anyone have any doubt at level 16, please let me know. We have added here repeat block. So why we have added repeat block? We have added repeat block so that we could avoid writing Dev step 3 for 3 times. The code is repeating, right? We are repeating the code again and again. Basically, this booster, we have to catch this booster 3 times. We have to catch this booster 3 times. They will catch this booster again for 3 times. So instead of writing Dev step 3, turn right, Dev step 3, turn right, Dev step 3, turn right, we can directly add a repeat block. Okay. Is it done? Okay. So let me also take an attendance. Wait a minute. Can you all please turn on your cameras? I only can see Vika Pandey and 1-2 students has turned their camera. Please turn on your cameras.
My camera is not working.
Okay, ID with Akriti Ghosh.
Oh, give me, yes.
ID with Akriti Ghosh, please turn on your camera. Requesting again, please once turn on your camera. ID with Akriti Ghosh.
But my camera is not working for some reason. I don't know why.
And ID with what is this? Pragna? Okay, no issue. Let me take that.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, please.
actually, right, I couldn't this all of this.
You could not solve all this. Okay, no issue. I have shared my number in the chat box.
Sir, I thought I could solve, like, I saw the level 1, there is that earth, right? Level 1.
As at level 1, there was
I pressed on that, there was no books, like there was nothing. Level 1, I tried everything we could do. I refreshed it, I did everything.
Okay.
So I could, it was not coming.
No issue. After this session, I will help you out. Okay, and I will be helping you out in solving levels also. Don't worry. I just need time to solve. I just need time. I just need time to solve. I just need time to check it out why you're not getting the page. Okay.
So after this meeting, right? When everybody
after this meeting, please call me at 7:20.
7:20.
Right. So I'm taking time because I need to check why you're not getting the page.
Okay. After this meeting, I should call you at 7:20.
Right. After this meeting, you need to call me at 7.
And so now are all the levels done?
No. We have to complete the level 20 to switch for the next program. We are at level 17.
Okay.
We are at level 17. We have to solve the level 20.
Okay.
And your coding will get tough each time you cross a level.
Okay, sir.
many of you have joined? Let me check once.
And sir,
Yes.
sir, this
Yes.
the meeting that we're doing right now is still 7, right?
Yes, the meeting is of 1 hour from 6 to 7.
So 6 to 7, right?
The meeting is of 6 to 7. Sir, we started 30 minutes late because of login issue from your side. No, I have joined at 6. Okay, we have, sir, we started 30 minutes late because of login issue.
Yeah,
from
not
your
because
side.
of you, sir. It's just it said as registered, not registered. And then we called the site and then they clarified it after 30 minutes only. It's not from your side, but it's just keep on saying you have not registered, though we registered
Okay,
it.
okay. So can you send the recorded video that we missed for 30? Ma'am, I don't have the right because recording are being saved at team. But I can do one thing. I can do one thing, ma'am, that I have shared my number in the chat box. I can
Okay.
help you out solving the puzzles. All the puzzles. As this is the second session, we are running out.
No, we are just starting today only, actually.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So out of second session, you have attended the first session. So we are at level 17. I will be there to help you out.
Yeah, I don't know how
Please call me
to.
anytime. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Where should we type these codes? Should I Play Store? Should I go on the
No, ma'am. You need to open
language?
Chrome. You need to open Chrome and
Okay.
you need to type the link. And
Okay.
once you type the link, it will take you to the hackathon page. Whereas
Okay.
you need to type your email ID and
Okay.
there will be an option of send validation code. Yes, Veda, just wait a minute.
I have to go somewhere, so can I for the day?
Yes, you can leave. Okay, so ma'am, I'll be sending a link in the chat box again. Wait a minute. Let me send the link in the chat box. So
No, how to do this coding? Where we should do all this coding and practice?
that's only, ma'am. That's only I'm saying.
Okay.
This I have shared the link in the chat box again. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was asking, this is my first class, so that may be the problem, that some code is not correct or some code is not filled in. That may be the problem because this is my first class.
No issue. I will help you out. Just text me message anytime at any level you have a doubt. Anytime at any level if you have a doubt, just text me message on my WhatsApp number. I will help you out. Okay. So, ma'am. So basically, what we need to do is we need to copy this link, and we need to open web browser, either Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, whatever we have in our laptop. Open Chrome, paste this link or type this link, and after that, you'll be getting a page. Let me show you that. One minute. Let me copy this link. I'm sharing my screen. Students, I'll be solving one more level. We have 10 minutes more. I have copied this link and open Chrome and paste this link here and press enter. As soon as we press enter, it will take us to the Global Hackathon page. ICode Global Hackathon 2022. It's the world largest coding competition all over the country. Okay.
Yeah,
here
this
we
is where
need to
we
type
got.
our, yes, here we need to type our registered email ID. The email ID which you have registered for the hackathon. You need to type your registered email ID. Then you need to click on send validation code. And once you click on send validation code, you will be getting 6-digit OTP on your Gmail. And then you need to
Okay.
type that OTP, and then it will take you to this page. This page,
Okay.
whereas, just wait a minute. Let me solve level 7. It will take you to this page. Let me return back. We'll be getting a start learning. We'll be getting, once you type your OTP, it will take you to the page where there will be written start learning, and we need to solve level 1. We are at level 1. Click on level 1, and we are solving the basic puzzles of level 1. Okay, ma'am. Please take your time and go through it.
Yeah, got it, sir. Got it.
So I think we were at level 17, right? Any one of you? Am I correct? We were at level 17.
No, sir, we were at level 19.
Sir, we were at level 17.
No.
Now we have to do level
Yes, we were on level. We have just finished level 16. We have to finish level 17. It's the same again. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then take turn 1. See, then after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me solve this. Okay, wait a minute. Let me explain you this by solving the puzzle. Let me read this. Okay, so Dev step 1. Yeah, let me move from here. Dev step 5. Let's check the code. Dev step 5. Let me run it. One, two, three, four, 5, and then after take left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then after take left. They will take left. Take left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They step 5. Let me run this code. 5 again. 1, 2 left. 5 again. We need to add left.
Sir, I'm trying to complete the code, but it's showing that that I'm not able to read the code.
Okay, let me once solve this puzzle, then please share your screen. Okay, let me first solve the puzzle. Okay, see here. 1, let me on the grid lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here at this position, they will take left, will turn left. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They has reached here. Again, they will take left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will step 5. Okay. At this position, again, they will take left. They will take left. Right. Again, we'll be adding. They will step 5. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Let me run this. Collected the first booster, collected the second booster, third one, and finally collected the fourth one. Right. But here we are getting only 2 stars. Right? Why? Because we are repeating their step 5, 5, 5, 5. Instead of repeating this for 4 times, what can we do? Let me explain you again. Why we are adding 5 steps instead of when we can reach the booster at 4 only. We can catch the booster at 4 steps. Why we are adding 5 steps? Because we need to move next also to catch the booster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again here they will turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here they will turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again they will turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. right? So instead of writing Dev step 5 turn left, Dev step 5, Dev turn left, Dev step 5, Dev turn left, instead of writing this for 4 times, see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Instead of writing this for 4 times, we directly can add repeat 4. Repeat these 2 steps for 4 times. Yes, repeat these 2 steps for 4 times.
Sir, but it's showing in my computer that they've turned left cannot be detected.
Okay, let me now solve this puzzle and I will stop working here. See, we got the 3 stars, right? And let me now stop my screen sharing. And I will try to solve it here later. Screen sharing? Yeah. Please share your screen where you are getting an issue.
Okay, sir, I'm sharing.
So till this session, we have completed solving level 17. In the next session, we'll start solving from level 18. So those who have not solved, see, you have added spaceship. So they will turn left or spaceship will turn left?
Sir?
Yes. Those who have not completed, they may contact me or try to solve their puzzles by yourself. So that in the next session, you can catch me solving the levels.
So now it's working. I don't know how.
Okay. So no. It's working because previously you have added spaceship steps.
Sir?
Right? So it's there, it's not the spaceship, right? Yes, please. Now you can stop your screen share. Yes.
After how many weeks or months is the next class going to happen?
Each session, suppose I have started taking the session from 27. So first session was my first session for you all. My first session was at 27. Next 29, 1, 3, 5. 1 day after. Each session is of 1 day after.
Like every Monday?
Not every Monday. What is the today's date?
39. It was 30. No,
29. Today is 29th, right? So your next session will be at 31st.
31st.
Calendar is showing the first session is on August 1st.
Let me check when is the session. I will be
like this. That means this Monday.
Let me check. Let me check. Not on Monday. Your next session is on Wednesday.
This Wednesday, right?
Today is 29th, right? 29th. Today is 29th. Okay. And your next session is on Wednesday. Yes. Your next session is on Wednesday and Friday. That is got it. Your session will be having every Wednesday and Friday.
Every Wednesday and Friday?
Yes. Wednesday and Friday. Yes. You'll be having your session each on Wednesday and Friday.
Okay, sir. And I'll try once again after this meeting ends. If I can't, I'll join at 7:20.
You have to call me.
Okay. I'll tell my mom to call you.
Okay. So everyone has to join for the session every on Wednesday and Friday. Okay.
Same timing, sir?
Yeah, timing will be same. between 6 to 7. Okay? Sure. Bye all. Have a great day. Keep learning, keep practicing.
Bye, sir.
Sir.